What's up, guys? It is Titus. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be on here for, I can't be on to that long, but I'll be trying to get as much information as I can to you guys. Tomorrow is a long day for me. Try stream as soon as I can. So I have a lot of things going on, but with that aside, hope you guys had a good day, having a good night. Make sure you guys join in Discord, and if you have anything to say, like, that I can work on, whatever, anything I need to work on, let me know down in the comments, Discord, whatever. Just let me know so we can get better in all those areas. And make sure you guys join the Discord down below. It's free Discord, so yeah. All right, let's look at the markets. All right, so you got the markets right here, right? This manipulation is getting crazy. Guys, they're trying to make it look like it's a huge run up. It's not. It is not. I show you guys this all the time. This, of course, it's a buy on here because everybody wants to buy it. But look at this huge candlestick. No retail investor is doing that. That's what the whales are doing. Trying to pump the price up. They see it's going down. Trying to make a bull trap for you guys. Make it seem like the markets are going still green. And they just keep trying to push up the price, push it up. They're doing that so they can get ready for the 22, 23K levels. Where's that dip we just had? So on this dip, we had a little run up. It was not a realistic run up. It's all manipulation run up. Look at these green candlesticks. Those are unrealistic candlesticks. No actual retail investor has that much strong hold over the market to make those big candlesticks. Like, most of the retail investors are buying a little bit. Those are the little trades right here, the ones that you see over here. All these little ones. Those are most of the retail investors. The whales are the ones who are making the big candlesticks. Candlesticks like this. That's unnatural movement. They're selling that right here. So just think about it like this. All the big candlesticks are the whales. And then what adds on to those big candlesticks? Some like 5% retail investors. So if the whales start selling heavy, retail investors, average retail investors, somebody who's just been in here for like a week, they just found out about crypto trading, whatever, they're gonna be selling because on their emotions, they're basing their trades off of emotions. Because the market is going down, they get scared. When you're scared, what do? You run away. Most of the times, hopefully, but that's just the instinct for some people. When you're scared, you run away. And that's how some people think when they're trading in the markets or in the markets. That's not how you want to think. You don't want to think with any emotion. You want to think with just looking at the charts itself. You don't want to look at it and see, oh, it's down 30%. I gotta get out before it goes to zero. No, it's not gonna go to zero. If you believe what you're invested in, you look at the technical analysis, Look at what's behind it. Look at how the charts are going. You will be perfectly fine. Nothing can touch you unless you sell at a loss. That's the only way you lose, if you sell at a loss. Now, if it's different if you're invested into a meme coin and the meme coin is going down. Meme coin most likely doesn't have anything behind it, doesn't have any real anything. It was just made like a day ago, so it hasn't been through any ups or really strong ups or downs. And those downs hit heavy on those meme coins. So if I was in a meme coin, I wouldn't even put that much in there to worry about. Like, I'll put $30. I don't care. It's gone. You gotta think about it like that. When you invest into something like a meme coin, you just have to think you're throwing away $30. Or you're spending $30 on a meal. Think about it like that. I'm spending $100 on a meal, spending $100 on some groceries, $100 on some shoes. You just have to have a different mindset when it comes to getting into cryptos, whatever, investing in general. You have to have a different mindset from other things. You can't do things based off emotions, how you feel. I feel like this. What is going to bring you the best gain? What is going to bring the most to you? That's what matters. That it doesn't matter how you feel about anything. If that, for example, if you're in real estate, if that property is beat down, it's flipped upside down, wrecked, roaches, and it's on a highway, in this like, let's say 3 acres. It's right next to the highway, 3 acres, in a somewhat nice area, not bad, not a lot of crime. That is a good investment. It's a beat down thing. You could probably put like a hotel or something. I don't know if that's big enough for a hotel, but you can put something over there and make a good profit off of beat up house, whatever is on that land. You just have to see, you have to look at it and don't base anything off of how you feel. Oh, I feel like that house isn't. I feel, what are the stats saying? For Bitcoin, Bitcoin halves every 4 years. It's guaranteed to go at. It's guaranteed to go up. Like, that's guaranteed. I don't understand that there's no reason to sell out of Bitcoin. Now, just watch this chart, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So I'm gonna keep talking. So there's no reason to Bitcoin. Like I told you guys earlier this morning, if Bitcoin stayed at 36,000 after a decade, remember, Bitcoin has every 4 years. After a decade, Bitcoin will be worth a minimum of $108,000. Every halving, a minimum by 20, was that 30? 2030, Bitcoin be worth a minimum of $108,000. A minimum. It's going to be no lower than that. So if y'all in the markets right now and Bitcoin goes up to 100,000, I don't know how much you have in there, but that's gains. Gains are gains. That's a lot of gains. So you guys have to look ahead in the future, look at the stats, look at the technical analysis, look at what's behind it, look at all that. Don't go based off of how you feel. Well, I feel like, no, it's not about what you feel. It should be, I know like this. I know this. I know that stats is doing this. I see, based off of previous patterns, I've seen that Bitcoin has gone down. Things like that. It's not. I feel like, oh, we're in a bull market just because Bitcoin has a huge candlestick. That just proves to you that there's heavy manipulation and they're getting ready to sell. They're getting ready to dump it on your heads. You think it's a run up? No, it's not a run up. They're baiting you into buying so they can dump money on your head. They're not gonna dump it. I mean, they gonna shit on you basically. Them boys gonna shit on you. So you don't wanna be in that type of position. Be prepared at all times. Always set your stop loss, set your limit orders, and be prepared. Because like I said, guys, this is unnatural movement in this Bitcoin chart. This movement is not natural at all. Heavy manipulation. It's huge candlesticks. I have not seen this many huge candlesticks in a while. Like, look at this. One fat candlestick. Another huge one. 3 of them. These are not retail investors. These are the institutions, whales, whatever you want to call them. Big money moves. That's what they are. They sell, profit, run up, sell it, profit. They take profit every time. They rinse and repeat that method on a daily, on an hourly basis. They do it every time. So they can wash some of the dirt off. The dirt to them is retail investors. They don't care about you, bro. They don't. They don't care about you. So it means a lot when you hold your coins. It's more than just, oh, I'm gonna make some gains. It's the future. You're holding, you're part of the future. You're sticking with something that doesn't believe in centralization. It believes in decentralization. Or definance, whatever you want to call it. This is something special. Don't get scared of it. In the future, you've seen Bitcoin run up to 65K. What makes you think it won't go up that high again? It's gonna be. It's very simple. It's very simple. If it's a strong project, I mean, not necessarily Bitcoin is a strong project, but Bitcoin is the leader for us. The leader for us in crypto. To open up crypto to the masses of people. That's why Bitcoin is number one. Bitcoin's the head. And I stick with Bitcoin because Bitcoin use case is slowing down. Their use case really isn't there anymore. Like I said before, it takes an hour or so for Bitcoin to get to your wallet, this and that, here and there. It takes a long time to get some Bitcoin to your wallet. So the use case isn't really there unless they integrate something else to where they make it come in like 2 minutes. The thing about Bitcoin is it's halving and it's limited supply. That's the only thing, really. I tell you guys this all the time. Bitcoin is a souvenir. It's something you must have. It's a must have. I don't know why you would sell out of it, but it's something you should have a piece of. Even if it's 0.0000, you should have a piece of it. $25 Bitcoin. Shout out to you. If you have, it don't matter how much, just have a piece of Bitcoin. Something in Bitcoin. You have to put $1 in it. I do not care. Get a piece of it and hold on for the ride, because it's going to be a bumpy ride, but we're definitely going to be at the top sooner than later. So you guys should be prepared at all times. Say this all the time. Make sure you set your stop loss, limit orders. and just do a little bit of technical analysis on the markets. Read the charts, set resistance levels, set buy levels, set all that. But look at how much unnatural growth has been going on for these past few days. Look at this volatility chart. Where's this money coming from? Back here, it was not that many huge things. Where is it at? See, all started in May. See, back here, the candlestick, volatility sticks were not that high. The market was going down, but it wasn't that high. But now the volatility is going up. It's only going up because they got a little bit more money they can put in. They borrowing money from somewhere. I don't know where they getting this money, but they putting it in, and they manipulating these markets heavily so they can shake off some of you guys, like y'all some gnats or something. So don't let them disrespect you like that, bro. Like, hold on to your coins, especially Bitcoin. You gotta stick with the movement. If you still got Doge, shout out to you, because Doge has been down bad tremendously for a few weeks now. Elon, like, yeah, keep holding, guys. All about the movement. It's not about just making gains. It's about changing the future and making the future ours. The government is doing a lot to stop us, to try to stop crypto in general. They are doing a lot. They're putting a lot of money out there, saying it's going to this when it's really going to that. So you guys just have to pay attention, be aware of the markets, look at the markets, look at what they're saying in the news, but don't take that to heart. Don't take what they're saying in the news to heart. Like, don't say just because somebody said something bad about Bitcoin, oh, am I really doing it? Bro, don't care. Disregard the news, bro. Nobody cares. You know what Bitcoin does. As long as you know what Bitcoin is here for and what it does, you are chilling. You do not care about what anybody says. I'm telling you this. You guys just have to be prepared at all times. Have your stop loss. Have everything. Because there's no reason to be shaken off by these whales. There's no reason. Just understand the charts. Take your time. Read more books about trading. Everything. And it'll be a lot easier. I promise you. Like, it's not hard. It isn't. That's why I'm on the journey with you guys. I'm on the journey to 1 full Bitcoin from $500. I'm up 1,000, but that's not that much to me. It's just a challenge that I put up to myself. I'm trying to get to a full Bitcoin. It would be nice to have one right now. I could leverage trade it, but I don't want to use OPM right now. I may leverage trade in the future, but I don't recommend it if you're just starting out, because leverage trading is very risky. And that's pretty much it. Guys, stay strong during the market. Don't let the whales shake you off. Believe you guys can do it. We can do it to the end. We will come out victorious. No matter who tries to stop us, no matter who tries to do anything to us, we will come out on top. Mark my words. Crypto, 5 to 10 years, everybody will be using it. Sooner or later, the government will have to get on the wave. It's either get on the wave or be left behind. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Make sure you guys stay strong. Join the Discord. Sometimes I post price predictions, coins that I'm buying. I don't do it all the time because still need my moderators. Got a few of them, but we're trying to run this community. You know, guys. I'm trying to get crypto out there and explain it as simple as possible. Ask me questions in the comments as well. Just let me know what you don't know. I'll do a video on it. Coins you want me to look over. Meme coins. I'm not doing a full video just for meme coins. I may glance at one for like 2 seconds. But you need to bring some coins with a strong project, has great potential within the next 2 to 5 years. And yeah. And if you guys can get me in contact with any of the teams of the coins that you send me, that you tell me about, that'd be amazing. Maybe we can like pull some of them on for interviews and get this thing going. Because we need to get this crypto adoption out there like this. We need to get it going. Gotta get it going, guys. Make sure y'all like the video, share the video, whatever y'all do. Just hold, stay strong, don't sell. There's always ups and downs in life. You just gotta push through it. Peace out, y'all.